When it comes to removing tough grime from windows that require a gentle touch, Pure Water Power's walnut pads are the ideal solution. Here are a few reasons why this product is an essential tool for window cleaning. Reason 1. The scrub pads are made from crushed walnut shells, making them safe to use on surfaces that are prone to scratching. However, just because they are non-scratch does not mean they lack cleaning power. These pads effectively remove stubborn marks and water stains. Reason 2. The walnut pads are designed for easy attachment to the Pure Water Power Pad Holder Kit, as well as other compatible pad holders. The holders are simple to assemble and allow for quick pad replacement. The Pure Water Power Pad holders are available in 5.5-inch and 9-inch options, making them suitable for different sized windows. Also, with the fast lock, these pad holders can go onto any pole. Reason 3. Walnut pads are reusable. By rinsing them clean after each use and taking proper care, these pads can tackle multiple jobs. This not only reduces expenses, but also minimizes the need for frequent replacements and saves time. Pure Water Power walnut pads are a must-have for their effective yet gentle cleaning capabilities, ease of installation on holders, and reusable nature. Just add water. Pure Water Power provides the tools. You supply the shine.